What's your favorite thing about this place?
Probably the tree houses. And I also like the part of bringing snacks.
Snacks and the tree house, hey?
Snacks in the tree house.
What snack are you looking forward to eating most? Are you alright?
Wait, what is that for?
What a guy.
Guys, be careful on this, okay?
Okay.
Reader, be careful on this, okay?
Phew. I think we're safe. Hey everyone, we came out for a quick hike out to the Clifford E. Lee Nature Area, little sanctuary just maybe half an hour east of Edmonton. A good little place to go take the kids for a walk. Really great elevated platforms for walking, make it really accessible for the kids to get out and explore. On the negative side though, there's quite a lot of users who bring their dogs off leash, a lot of mess that people don't clean up after, which is a little bit unfortunate, but overall it's a pretty cool place. So stick around and we'll show you a little bit of what we're seeing out on our hike today. Thanks for watching. Know what that is?
Diarrhea?
Diarrhea? No, that's where it's called a scrape. So deers pee under it to tell other deer that they were there. It's like Facebook for deers.
Facebook for deers?
All right, well, the freezing rain and the snow is getting a little bit heavier, and I think my little guy here is getting pretty damp and cool. So we did a little bit of tracking. We found a really good deer trail. We tracked it through the trees for a little bit, and then we stopped, had a quick snack, found that little lean-to that I just showed you, and had a, like I said, had a little quick bite to eat, but unfortunately it's starting to get a little bit wetter. It's about 2 degrees right now. Snow was kind of coming, but it was raining for, I don't know, probably last half an hour or so. So I think we're going to work our way back to the truck. We'll, if there's anything else along the way, we'll certainly show it to you. Stay tuned. All right, that wraps it up for today, everyone. Thanks again so much for watching. Stay tuned for more of our videos. And again, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.